Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are opening my Petit Vour box for December 2023, the very last unboxing of the year. The only other video I think you'll see before the end of the year is an empties. So, second to last video of the year I'm doing, besides all the little reels and stuff I put up. But let's go ahead and crack into it. So here's our card. It says, good things ahead. Let's hope 2024 has lots of good things ahead. Now let's get into the box. The first thing, I think you're gonna laugh, is from MandaPhenom Skin. It is their Hydrogel Therapy Eye Gels. I now have 3 boxes of these. I can't stand that. I feel like it's really poor marketing on behalf of the business that's sending out these products to send these to every single vegan box there is. Because a lot of us get all the boxes, or at least some of the boxes. Like, this is just, it's a little overkill. So I've probably already read you the description of these 3 times, but it says this is a $16 value, packed with hydrogel collagen boosting power that repairs tired eyes, banishes puffiness, and builds a renewed complexion. So it's a good thing I like these now that I have so many of them. The next item is also a little disappointing because I already own this item. I've gotten it in another box, or maybe it was a Petit Vour from the past. It's the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Pro Blush Quad Palette, and this is a $25 value. I can tell you every color in here is lovely. I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to leave it as is because I'm going to put this in the giveaway box. But I do like this palette. I'm just annoyed because I've already gotten it. This came in like a box like probably over a year ago. This came a long time ago. But anyway, the description says, a universal blush palette featuring 4 shades, a rosy terracotta matte, a shimmering peach, shimmering pink, and a glowy highlighter shade. The velvety soft formula makes for flawless blending and a perfect flush, suitable for all skin types and tones. And I will say, 1 or 2 of these colors, it probably wouldn't look that great on darker skin. The other 2 would. But the flip side is you need to use a light hand if you're lighter toned in skin. So I wouldn't say this is a universal blush palette, but I do think this will work for a lot of people, not all people. But it is really pretty. And one of you will be getting it whenever I eventually do the giveaway. The next item is an Earth Harbor product, which means it'll either be hit or miss because they do tend to put a lot of fragrance stuff in their formulas. But this is the Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampule, and what color is it? There's always fun colors with this company. So this one is green. So this is a $32 value. It says, give your face illuminating superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens and hemp oil and pacifying grapeseed oil and neem seed extract, while the intoxicating therapeutic aroma of magnolia blossoms transports you to a soothing state of mind. So that makes me think that there are fragrant things in here. Yeah, I don't even need to read this whole list. I see like 4 of them all already on the list. So I will be giving this away too. This is not going to be something I'm going to use. The last item is from Petit History, New York. This is Envie d'Azur. It says it has violet glistens while gentle rose dances in soft rain. Powdery orris is the quiet, cool whisper of Paris. I feel like they may have sent this before. I'm not sure if it was the scent, but I feel like we've gotten something from Petit History before. But it says this is a $2 value. It has the exact same description. And then it says top notes, bergamot, angelica seed, middle notes rose, orris velvet, base notes sandalwood, and ambretta. So I hate when they include fragrances as a 4th item. I think that's a little bit of a cop-out, but we're going to open it up and smell it. I also really dislike when they don't send you a sprayer and you have to like very gently get this little swizzle stick out of this tiny bottle without yanking it too hard and sending fragrance everywhere. I think that's obnoxious. I'm also not the biggest fan of perfume oils. I much prefer something you can spray than an oil. I'm just complaining about everything, but yeah, perfume samples are kind of irritating. I will say I have found some brands I really like this way, but I feel like they should be considered an extra. This is so hard to get out of this little thing. Okay, yeah. I think they've sent this before. I kind of recognize this fragrance. Like, I feel like I've smelled it before. So that's also a bit disappointing. This whole box was a huge disappointment. A fragrance counted as a product. A fragrant item for your face. A blush palette that's been sent out in a box before. I don't remember which one, but this was sent out months ago, if not a whole year ago. And a product that 3 different boxes have sent me this month. This is a fail for me. I'm just gonna give it an F. I'm not wild about any of this. Kind of a stinky way to end the year for Petit Vour, but it is what it is. So if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit that subscribe button. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!